In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a phone call booking in Calendly from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com, then log into your account. On your dashboard, click the plus button labeled Create and choose the one-on-one event type. This is perfect for individual calls like a strategy call. Give your event a clear, friendly name so invitees immediately know what it's for. You can also add a short description that explains the purpose of the call and what to expect, which helps set the right tone before anyone books. Next, set the duration. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes. If you're unsure, 30 minutes is a great default for most introductory calls. The duration you select will control the time slots Calendly offers, so pick something that gives you enough time to cover your agenda without running over. Now choose the location. Select phone call as the location type. You'll see two options for how the call happens. Your invitee can call you at the scheduled time, or you can call the invitee. If you prefer they call you, provide your number and the location details so it appears in their confirmation. If you prefer to call them, choose the option that lets the invitee enter their number during booking. This keeps everything in one place and avoids any last-minute confusion. If the invitee will be calling you, it's smart to collect their number anyway. In the booking form questions, add a required question requesting their phone number. A simple prompt like, "What number should we use if we need to reach you?" is clear and useful for confirmations or unexpected issues. Set your availability next. Pick the days and time windows when you can accept these calls. Calendly respects your connected calendar, and you can add buffers before or after meetings to prevent back-to-back bookings. Buffers are especially helpful to keep your schedule realistic and give you a few minutes to prepare. When you're done, save your event. Calendly will generate a unique booking link for this call type. Copy that link and share it with clients or prospects via email, chat, or on your website. It's helpful to include a short note explaining what the call is for and how long it will take so people feel confident booking. Finally, once someone schedules, Calendly automatically adds the event to your calendar and sends confirmation and reminder emails with all the call details. That way everyone shows up informed and on time. And that's it, you've set up a polished phone call booking flow in Calendly.